Dobardan, Divine Pisces, 222. Sorry it's late today, guys, but it is Monday, August 24th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys. First of all, yeah, there's like this energy, major resistance coming in right now. It's like we're just absolutely 100% resisting the truth. Like, I don't know. I don't understand how the truth can be staring somebody in the face and they absolutely refuse to see it. Also, like, people take, I feel, this is happening. This is definitely happening. People taking what other people say, and instead of actually understanding what they're saying or seeing their side of things, it's like they are using that person's words to basically insert their own intentions, or they are assuming what that person's intentions might be, and they're getting butthurt. This is happening on my channel. This is happening with people commenting, which I find it, honestly, at this point, I find it funny because I'm like, at this point, nothing I'm going to say is going to change your mind. You have to see it yourself, and if you choose not to, that's on you. So yeah, I'll just laugh at you and probably just send you on your merry way, because it's just kind of ridiculous at this point how butthurt people are getting from the truth. Like I said, it's up to you whether you want to see it or not, but don't expect me to hold your hand through it. Clear. If people want to remain in their ignorance, they want to remain in their stupidity, that's okay. I mean, if you want to be a government-controlled robot, that's fine. That's on you. Up to you, really. No judgments here, but I'm not going to do it. Okay? I know my history enough to know that that is not in the cards for me. Okay? But anyway, so I just feel right now people are just so tied up in what they want to believe that they're not actually seeing what's in front of their face. And there are those of us who see this, we see the programming clear, and that's coming into play here, and I'm just kind of at the point where I'm like, you can come at me if you want, but you obviously have some major issues. Like, if you think that it's okay for the government to ever tell you you can't leave your home, or to fine you for not putting a piece of cloth over your face, when most states actually have anti-mask laws. Do you think it's okay for the government to fine you for traveling outside of a proposed radius that they think is okay? You actually think that's okay? Then you deserve whatever comes to you. I'm sorry, but you do. Okay? Actually, sorry, not sorry at all. I don't care. Like, at this point, I'm calling it as I see it. You are a robot. If you think that's okay, you are a robot. Okay. Alright, so let's get this started. Dream a beautiful dream. This actually came up not too long ago, I think. So yeah, I mean, this is the grid here. This is the grid. We're either dreaming a beautiful dream, or there are some of us who are in consciousness right now, and we are dreaming this beautiful dream. We're trying to get out of this dystopian, apocalyptic timeline, okay? And then there are some people that are stuck in that timeline, and they're gonna remain there. Okay, I'm sorry, I don't want to be part of that reality. So I guess at this point, choose your reality. Which reality do you want? Yeah. Third wave creative intelligence. Yeah, so that's what I mean. Like, we are creating this. What is happening right now, you're creating it. What do you want? Do you want to live like a sheep and be told where to go, when to go, what to wear, what not to wear, what to believe, what not to believe? Is that what you want? Okay, then you deserve that. Good for you. Those of us who don't want that, we're going to create a different reality, okay? That's what we're doing right now. Remember, what you see is what you get. All right, so yeah, okay, so Knight of Pentacles in reverse. That's interesting. Yeah, this 3D stuff, you're either going to be stuck in the 3D or you're not. That's how I see it, okay? You're either going to, you know, I think a lot of people put so much stress on their 3D things and the things that they're losing in the 3D that they forget that it's really not about that at all. So these things are being taken away for a reason. Okay? Evaluate yourself. Figure out why. Yeah, and see the bigger picture. That's exactly it, guys. What is the bigger picture here? What is the bigger picture? What is it you're refusing to see? Not what do you want to see. What are you refusing to see? What are you refusing to acknowledge? I don't know. I don't have the answer. You do. All right, guys. I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.